Well done, everybody. Brilliant effort. I hope you enjoyed doing that, okay? So try and get into a nice little routine. You know, every Monday, every Thursday, you used to come in and see us. So try and get into that routine again. Every Thursday and every Monday, just think, right, okay, I can't go and see Llinos in the leisure centre, but I can see it on YouTube and we'll do the exercises like that. Right, make sure that you've had plenty of water and we're going to take it into cool down, okay? So, standing nice and tall, remember, feet hip width apart. Keep those feet moving for me. Take a nice deep breath in through the nose and release slowly out through the mouth. Roll your shoulders back so you're standing nice and tall, good posture. Another nice deep breath in and release slowly. Ready with those shoulders? Let's start rolling them backwards then. Concentrate on your breathing. So nice regular breaths. Keeping those feet moving. And ready, let's take those shoulders forwards for me. And one more forward roll with those shoulders. And relax. Ready with the feet? Let's take it into a toe tap then. So again, steady pace. We're slowing everything back down. So bringing the body back to pre-exercise. So we're bringing the heart rate back down gradually, concentrating on the breathing. And we're going to start lifting the arms up gently. Taking nice deep breaths. Keeping those feet moving. And we're going to take the feet out to the side. Take the arms out to the side with them. Again, just a gentle pace. Oh, nowhere better to do this cool down. Out in the sun, birds singing, lambs in the background, smelling that country air. And take it back to your march. Now as we're marching, we're going to close and open the fingers. And as we're opening the fingers, try and really stretch them out for me. Taking deep breaths, in through the nose and out through the mouth. So we're keeping those feet moving. One more stretch out with those fingers. And relax. We're going to change it and start rotating those wrists. So taking those wrists round. Keeping the feet moving, just a gentle pace again, remember. If you need to take a little bit of water on, have a few sips of water. Let's take the wrists back the other way. And relax those arms. Let's slow the feet down then. Take them into a wide stance. Roll the shoulders backwards so you're standing nice and tall. And we're going to bring the arms out to the front, tuck your chin in and push away. Now make sure you're not holding your breath. Nice regular breath, stretch out as far as you can, remember, so that you can feel that stretch. Across the top of the back, in the shoulders. Now very gently, okay, start lifting those arms up. Now just to where you can manage, okay? We're just stretching out that body. So we're trying to be as tall as we can be. Nice regular breaths and bring it back down to that center. Now release the fingers, take the arms out wide for me. Palms facing backwards and gently push back. And taking the hands all the way around. Take them to the bottom of the back and squeeze those elbows together. Nice regular breaths. And release. Ready? Let's get the feet moving again. And we're going to take it into heel pumps. So lifting one heel at a time. And we're going to stretch out the arms. So we're going to take one arm over that shoulder. Use the opposite arm to help with that stretch. Now remember, take it to where's comfy for you. We're stretching out that triceps or the back of the arm. Nice regular breaths. And release. We're going to do the same on the other side. So we're going to take it up, take it over that shoulder. And again, use that opposite arm just to help with that stretch. And again, take it to where's comfy for you, remember. Still concentrating on our breathing. And release. Take the feet back to your mat. And we're going to bring the arm across the front this time. Use the opposite arm to help stretch out that shoulder. So we're keeping the feet moving. Just a regular, steady pace. We're slowing everything back down, remember. And release. Same the other side. Let's bring it across. Now you've probably noticed we hold these stretches for a little bit longer in the cool down. Good work, everybody, so far. And release. Ready? Let's start lifting those arms up again then. And just a steady pace. As I said, we're slowing it all down, bringing you back to pre-exercise. And we're going to pop our hands on the hips and just lift those knees up. Just that little bit higher. Gentle pace. And one more each side. And bring it to a stop. Feet hip width apart again. Roll those shoulders back, okay? Bring the arms out to the front. Nice regular breaths. Remember, hips, try and keep them facing forward. And we're going to take it over to the right. Make sure you don't hold your breath. So nice regular breaths. So you're breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And let's bring it back to the center and take it over to that left side. And again, concentrating on your breathing and bring it back to the center. Bring your arms down to the side, roll your shoulders back again then, nice stance. And we're going to take it straight over to that left side. Now make sure again you're not leaning forwards or backwards, you're just taking it straight over to the side, stretching out the side of the body. Bring it back to the center, take it down to that right side. Nice regular breaths. And back to the center again. Roll your shoulders back so that you're nice and tall. Now pop your hands on your hips. Oh, I think there's a tractor going past, so I hope you can hear me, okay? Ready? Let's step forward. And we're going to sit back into that stretch. Now this time, if you can manage it, let's bring your toes up towards you. That's just going to emphasize that stretch on the back of that straight leg. So we're breathing in through the nose and releasing slowly out through the mouth. And release, take a couple of steps. Same with the other leg then, let's step forward. We're going to sit back into that stretch. And again, if you can manage it, bring your toes up towards you. If you can't, just leave it on the floor, that's fine. So you're looking straight ahead, nice regular breaths, and feeling the stretch on the back of that straight leg. And release. Ready? So we need to stretch out the calf muscles. So I'll turn to the side just for you to see what we're doing. So this time we step backwards, keep that back leg straight, and we lean into that front one. Now you're pushing those heels down into the ground, into the floor, so that you can feel the stretch in that calf muscle. So shoulders are back, hips are forward. Nice regular breaths. And release. Take a couple of steps. We'll do the same with the other leg. So we step back again. Heels, pushing those into the ground. Leaning into that front one. Think about your posture. Shoulders back. Hips forward. Regular breaths. And release. take a couple of steps. So we need to stretch out the front of the legs, so the quads. So again with this one, okay, if you've got the back of a chair, the wall, whatever, make sure you grab hold of something, okay, just to help with your balance. And we lift that leg up. So think about your posture again. So your shoulders are back, standing tall, belly button pulled in, and we're stretching out the front of that bent leg. Still concentrating on your breathing, and release. And remember, let's rotate that ankle around and take it back the other way. And foot down. Take a few steps round. Let's do the same with the other leg, okay? So we lift up. And again, standing nice and tall, shoulders back. Concentrate on your breathing. Stretching out the front of that bent leg. And release. And again, we need to rotate the ankle and take it back the other way. And foot down. So feet shoulder width apart. You're standing nice and tall, shoulders back. Take a deep breath in and release. We're going to concentrate on our breathing to finish off. So it's going to be 3 deep breaths, breathing in through the nose and releasing slowly out through the mouth. And I really hope that you can hear the birds are singing here. We've got lambs in the background, like I said, and no better place to concentrate on our breathing to finish off. So ready? Deep breath in and release slowly out through the mouth. Deep breath in and release. One more deep breath in and release slowly out through the mouth. And well done, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me on YouTube and joining in with the warm-up, the main exercises and the cool down. Really hope you enjoyed it. As I said, try and get it into a nice little routine. So you've got your warm-up, you've got your cool down to do every time, and when I get the chance, I'll just keep adding the new exercises for the circuit. So every so often, I'll be adding another 6 exercises for you to be able to do. Thank you again, keep safe, and see you soon. Bye.